Hello, how are you doing? Today our topic is some problem questions involving LCM and HCF. So what happens is generally when we read these story questions, we get confused. Should I use LCM or should I use HCF? So today we will be discussing some easy tricks to clear all our doubts so that the moment you read the question, you should understand which one you are going to use, LCM or HCF. Okay? So look here, I have provided you the LCM and HCF of 2 and 5. I am not doing the entire process again because we have already discussed it. If you have any confusion or questions regarding that topic, please click on the link provided in the description box. Okay, so now if you look at the LCM of 2 and 5, it is 10 and the HCF of 2 and 5 is 1. So what do you observe? LCM is always greater than or equal to the number which is given to you. And HCF is always less than or equal to the number given to you. Right? These two things, LCM will be on the higher side and HCF will be on the lower side. Why higher? Because multiple is always greater than the number. If the multiple of 2, it is going to be 2, 4, 6 and like that, isn't it? So this concept is very important. When you are finding the LCM, remember it will be always greater and HCF will always be lesser. So based on this understanding, we are going to understand the problem questions. Okay? Okay. So let us understand one question. I have a circular park. In this park, I have two people, A and B. My A covers the entire circle in 10 minutes and B covers the same circle in 12 minutes. Okay, so after how many minutes will they meet at the starting point? That is the question. After how many more minutes these guys are going to meet at the starting point? So now if you look at it carefully, A is taking only 10 minutes. So A and B started, but A ran. So what happened? A crossed the starting point. Only after that your B is reaching there because B takes more time, isn't it? So definitely they will have to go around more. So don't you think the time will be more than 12 minutes? Because by 12 minutes when B reaches here, A would have already crossed. So definitely these two will meet after a longer duration, isn't it? Something which is greater than 12. So greater than 12. What comes greater? LCM, right? LCM is always greater than the numbers given to you or equal to. So let us see what is the LCM of 10 and 12. What is it? Yeah, 60. So these two will meet together after 60 minutes. Clear? So this is how you have to think. Read the question and think, what is it asking you? So always try to picturize the question. When you get a problem question, the best method to solve it is break the question into parts and also imagine how the situation will look like. So it was easy for us to understand that for first round, A will take 10 minutes and A will cross. So A will not stand there to meet B, isn't it? Because B has still not reached there. B is here because B is taking 12 minutes to reach to the starting point. So by the time B reaches, A would have already crossed. So they are not meeting at the starting point, isn't it? So this is how you will understand if you have to take LCM or HCF. Okay. Let us do one more question to understand HCF. Okay. Now look at this question very carefully. Okay, 3 containers are there and one container measures 403 liters. Another container measures 434 liters. One more container measures 465. So what are they saying? 3 containers. Okay, that 3 containers have this much diesels respectively. Find the maximum capacity of a container that can measure the diesel of 3 containers exact number of times. So you need a container which should be able to measure all of them totally. It should be measuring everything completely. So what will you look for here? Will you look for anything which is greater than 465 or 403, or will you look for something which is less than 403? Because I have to measure 403 also. Remember that. So the thing which is measuring, that should be the measuring container. Should that be less than 403 or should that be greater than 403? Think. It should be less than, isn't it? So if your answer is less than the numbers given in the question, so what will you find? HCF? Bingo, that's it. You will go for HCF here, because when I am measuring the diesel in 403, I need a container whose capacity is less than 403, isn't it? So I should go for HCF. Easy? Let us do one more question. Okay, let us understand this question nicely. The traffic lights at different road crossings change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. So first one changes at 48 seconds, this at 72, and the third one at 108 seconds. If they change simultaneously at 7 a.m., that is, if these 3 are changing together at 7 a.m., what is the next time when they are again going to change simultaneously? So how will you do this question? Think. What will be your answer? Will that be a number greater than what you have, or will that be a number lesser than what you have? Think about it nicely. Instead of waiting for the answer, think and tell me. Will they simultaneously change within next 48 seconds? No, because by the time the first one is changing, second one will take 72 minutes more to change, isn't it? This will take only 48 minutes. So this will take another 72 minutes to change, and this will take 108 seconds to change. All 3 of them in seconds. So they are not going to be changed at the same time after 48 seconds. So what do you understand? It should be more than 48 seconds, right? If it has to be more than the numbers, then what will be your, will you be going by HCF or by LCM? LCM. That's it. Very simple, right? Okay, so the LCM of 48, 72, 108 is 432 seconds. But what are you supposed to find out? Are you supposed to find out seconds? No. They are asking you what time will they change. So this seconds, 432, we have to change into minutes. So I'll divide that by 60. 60 into 7 is how much? 420. So you will get 12, but that will not go, so I'll put a decimal, I'll give a 0. So 60 into 2, okay, I am getting 7.2. That means what? 7 minutes and 12 seconds, right? So 7 minutes 2 seconds past 7 a.m. there will be simultaneous changes in the 3 road crossings. Correct? Easy, right? Just you have to think HCF or LCM. If you think and do the questions, you will not make any mistakes. It was a nice session, and the confusions regarding the usage of LCM and HCF is cleared. So if you like it, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Have a nice day.